New tonight at 10 o'clock, Governor McMaster and the South Carolina Department of Commerce announcing that Mojave Energy Systems is making its first manufacturing facility in Anderson County.
Mojave's $4 million investment will create about 200 new jobs, and the company aims to revolutionize the commercial air conditioning industry while keeping costs competitive. That new facility will be along Pearman Dairy Road there in Anderson, and the company will lease about 25,000 square feet. They chose that location so it could reach customers in about a day. Operations will begin in late November. And Governor McMaster said, quote, "We are pleased to welcome Mojave Energy Systems to South Carolina. Their investment will contribute greatly to our state's economy and provide new opportunities for our people, all while helping consumers use less energy."